Hello there, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up for Geometry Dash World. So for this, let's open the app here. It will take few seconds to open, and here you see this setting option. Click on it and now click on account. There you will find two options, that is to log in and register. So as we are new here, click on register. Now here you need to enter your username first. Then you need to add a password and then confirm password. In the next step, you need to enter email address. Make sure to give a valid email address. So once it is added, click on done. Now again verify your email. Rewrite the email again. And now click on done. And now click on submit. So after submitting, a message will pop up like this, that a confirmation email has been sent to your email account. So for this, let's open our email account here. And this is the email that please click on the link to activate your account. So open the link and here you will see this message that your account is activated, please log in. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to Cyber Learning. Thank you for watching. Bye.